The Russian propagandists are angry, furious, they cannot contain their anger because of the Russian abandonment and the great defeat in the Kherson. Solovyev is one of Putin's biggest agitators, and you can imagine that he is especially angry now. This is the angriest Solovyev I've ever seen.
Много сволочей врали. Снизу доверху врали. О том, что у них на складах. О том, какие в техническом состоянии содержится техника. О том, сколько бойцов на линии фронта. И ни одного расстрелянного нет. Ни одного гаденыша за ухо не взяли. Ни один с собой не покончил. Ни один даже рапорт не написал.
Russian woman, a member of Natsbal, nationalist Bolsheviks, organization appears to be manifesting in Russia against the withdrawal from Kherson. She cuts her arm and says the blood of various Russian people is on Putin, Shoigu, and Surovikin. But Russian patriot or not, the Putin police is there just in case.
Наших бойцов, пролитая ни за что. Это кровь на вашей совести. Путин, Шойгу, Суровикин. Это кровь на вашей совести. Мы вам не простим.
This is funny. Putin's troops flee Kherson on foot just weeks after the city was solemnly declared part of Russia forever.
Да ну я вижу, ну что сделать. Вы хоть как-то отсюда уходите. Наши мальчишки.
This is confirmed territory changes in Kherson in the past 24 hours, visualized. Russian media published a video of the Antonovsky Bridge destruction. The Ukrainians previously damaged the bridge which was used for Russian logistics in Kherson, but now Russians are destroying the bridge themselves, to prevent Ukrainian attacks on the east bank of the river.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.